Hey everyone, if you're seeing verification failed, there's an error connecting to Apple ID server on your iPhone. Don't worry, here are the quick fixes that actually work on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between them if needed. Then, simply restart your iPhone because a simple restart can fix temporary connection glitches on Apple servers. And also, sometimes the issues from Apple's side. Wait for the Apple ID server is down. You can also go to the settings and click the general and select the date and time and turn on set automatically. Incorrect time can cause verification errors. Also, you can go to the settings and select your Apple ID and sign out and sign in back to refresh your connection. And lastly, you can go to the settings and select the general and select the transfer or reset iPhone and click reset or click the reset network settings. Make sure that your device is running with the latest iOS version to avoid bugs affecting the Apple ID login. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.